Alright guys, so this is how to draw a bird. So first off, you need to just draw like this. Like that. And now you need to draw the feet like that. And now you just need to draw that right there. Like that. And now you could just draw the beak. Like that. So yeah. And now I'm gonna draw the bird's tail. And now I'm gonna draw the eye right there. And usually I want to draw that right there for the neck, but you don't really have to. So yeah. So now I'm gonna actually like color the bird in. I'm gonna color it in. I want to color it with this marker right here, the red marker. You could pick a color what you want to color it with, but I want to pick my choice. So yeah. Alright guys, so there we go. Now I'm done drawing the cardinal. Yeah, I want to color it in all red because pretty much their beaks are also red too. And yep, that's what an egg looks like. And I think they're like black, I would say. I don't really know what color cardinal eggs are, but they could be like black and they have a little bit of white polka dots on them by just a little bit. So probably a cardinal egg is probably white, maybe, but I don't know. But that's how you draw a bird. You don't have to color it red, but you can color it what color you want. It's like a bird. Alright. So that's how to draw a bird. Make sure to like and subscribe. Then maybe I can make another video how to draw a what. Subscribe, then I can maybe draw a bird nest with eggs in it. So yeah, make sure to like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.